I don't mind this. They try to impermit, we have this. Ash is a little bit more rough. But we still have this, so it's okay. I have this already? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think we respect Nibiru. Yeah, I will never respect Nibiru. It's probably better. Fire and Dark. It's probably better to just get this. So that way I have my fire up. And then we can go this turn here. I should have done this first. This will draw. Okay, I'm sorry. I did not explain that whatsoever, but I kind of opened nuts. So if I lose, that'll be sad. Okay, we got a Druis. So let's set this. I don't think we even need this really. Can just get back that guy. It's still probably best to set this and in the turn. Oh my god, we're gonna get Nibiru'd. I'm gonna be so upset. Are you fucking kidding me? Why are people playing this card? Okay. That's it. Probably ought to continue. Okay, so we got a Book of Moon and a Druis Worm. Is dinosaurs or Labrynth? I think we just let this crash over this. Could set it face. Oh, well, I guess otherwise it's not really an interruption anyway. Okay, that should be good enough, hopefully. If all they were doing was attacking with Nibiru. Oh, it's Labrynth for sure. Let's just, in the draw phase, go ahead and crank this out. Okay, I do kind of want a third spell card. Skill drain, sure. It is for sure Labrynth now. I don't have any... what's it called, effects? He's got 1500. It might just be okay to summon. That's annoying. Well, I don't think this is fun for anyone in particular. You know, I could have done this. I could still do that because I have a bestial, or I have a rock engrave. I will say this is not the most fun. The most fun I've ever had playing this game. Add a dark with 15 or less defense, which gets a hungry burger. That's probably better than what I have on board. Yeah. So let's go Magnamut and this thing. That'll at least like get us something going if they kill it. Okay. Let's do these. They looked like they were heavy focused on spell traps, and then these are good. These below, these are good, but we're going second, so let's cut down on those. 8, so I need one more. All of these kind of suck. Maybe something like that. Oh, 10. This 10 for 10, sure. That's a lot of cards. That's okay. We'll see what happens. These have been some long ass games. Mackenzie, if you're here, there's your boy. I told you this card was getting played. Stevie Torby. I get to ash that if they activate it. And I have my card. My little boy, hooray. Well, they have another one. I guess I ought to go ahead and do this. Big welcome, Labrynth. No, he's back again. Oh, I can use this. It targets it, right? Target a face up better and gets rid of the stove. That's still fine. See a stove. Then if I can... Wow, I didn't know that could activate like that. I could go ahead and do this. If I do that, then hit a stovey. That's probably worth... I don't know how to out this. Okay. Well, we'll have an out for it. Cannot target, and it cannot be destroyed by card effects. Cannot target, and it cannot be destroyed. I got one. I can summon a heavy border. I think that's better. I'm making a rise heart to out this thing. Which that's a big welcome. This is an unknown. There's a big welcome engraved that can't be used just yet. Okay, they're outing my fella. That's pretty annoying. If I out this big fuck. I guess this beats over Dharma Cannon and a big welcome. Okay, actually we're in a good spot. Because this gets another earth. Use this effect to get a fire to hand. So use this effect to destroy a card. Dark. Oh, whoops. Oh, that's okay. And then I can pop the big welcome beat over that. And I don't really care about the Dharma cannon. Yeah. That's a Dharma cannon. I could just hold this, but I think that's good enough. This adds back dangerous. Yeah, it should be lethal. Yippee.